Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about the best motorcycle accident layer. If you are considering hitting a motorcycle accident layer, you all want to make sure the alternate you chose is the right for you. Some alternate may be better suited for you the skills than others. Additionally, you want to cause one that will like a good fight and that you feel comfortable and confident working. Motorcycle accident claim experience. Motorcycle accident layers typically fall under the personal injury law category. This category encompass a legal case where an individual experienced an injury due to another person's neglect. If you are searching for the best motorcycle accident layer, you want to ensure that the ones you cause that extensive experience with motorcycle accident case. If you cause the personal injury layer, they might have do not have special experience with motorcycle accident, limiting their ability to help your case. Professionalism. Motorcyclists often have a reputation for being lightweight. However, your motorcycle accident layer should give off an air of professionalism that can help you trust their law prestige and knowledge. Your motorcycle accident case is serious to you, and your attorney should address it seriously as well. If you find that an attorney you are considering seems a little too casual or unprofessional, we recommend looking for another option. Compassion. Some personal injury attorneys are so just from their work that they lost any sense of compassion toward their clients. However, your motorcycle accident was probably so stressful and traumatic for you. And your attorney sought offer endless a little sympathy as you were taught the challenge emotion involved. Compassion's attorney will go above and beyond to have you feel comfortable throughout your motorcycle accident case. They will also take on as so much responsibility for your case as is possible. Allow to you focus on recovering from your injury. You can typically learn about an attorney as compensation by reading review and the testimonials from past clients. Meeting with a motorcycle accident attorney can also help you decipher their attitude towards your case. Adequate listens, a personal injury attorney need to option specific lessons to operate in your stage. As your search for an attorney, you should be concession to only work with one who has the proper license to practice in your area. You can typically find an attorney qualification on their website, often on the About Use page. If you have some trouble finding this information, be sure to ask during your initial consultation. Real experience. Not every personal injury attorney has experience bringing case to trial. Often, attorneys are able to help clients settle the case out of court. If the other party for insurance company refuses to negotiate, you may need to sue the reference as cost compensation. As a result, it's the best to look for an attorney with real experience. Does attorney know the best ways to navigate a court case? Present you advice to the judge and improve your chance of securing the level of competition you want. Affordability, having a professional motorcycle accident attorney should not break your budget. After all, one of the main reasons to hire an attorney is to help you resource the most compensation from your accident rate. Money accident attorney only charges you if they win your case for you. Either way, you should always be sure to clarify an attorney fees before hitting them. If you are looking for a motorcycle attorney that checks of all best pros, we can help other triggers the rocks with some for the best motorcycle accident lawyer in the industry. If you are considering hiring a motorcycle accident lawyer, you want to make sure that attorney you chose is the right for your needs. Some attorney may be better suited for your case than others. Additionally, you all want to choose the one that you feel like a good outfit and will judge by you comfortable and confident working with. Motorcycle accident lawyer typically fall under the of personal injury law category. This category consists of legal case where the individual experience an injury due to another personal negligence. If you are searching for you the best motorcycle accident lawyer, you all want to ensure that the one you chose was extensive experience with motorcycle accident case. If you chose a broad personal injury lawyer, they may have not have specialized experience with the motorcycle accident limiting their ability to help your case. Motorcycles often have a reputation for being lightweight. However, your motorcycle accident lawyer should give of an eye a professionalism that can help you further their practice and knowledge. Your motorcycle accident case is related to you and your attorney should be treated as seriously as well. If you find that attorney you are considering from a little too casual or unprofessional, we recommend looking for the other option. Okay guys, this is first discussion about best motorcycle accident lawyer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.